Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're powering up the ultimate showdown of cleanliness as we explore the best electric pressure washers. From compact designs to beastly power, we've scrubbed through the details to help you pick the perfect tool for your cleaning needs, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Sun Joe SPX 3000 Electric High Pressure Washer. The Sun Joe Electric Pressure Washer is our top pick for the best budget option, priced at only $169, and frequently available for less. It offers solid performance for various cleaning tasks around your home and garden at an affordable cost. This model stands out with its dual detergent tanks, a rare feature that lets you load different cleaning solutions for diverse surfaces. Equipped with 5 nozzles, including a specialized soap nozzle, it allows for effective pre-soaking before you start power washing. Safety is enhanced with a ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI, on its power cord, a crucial addition given the risky mix of water and electricity. Its compact design facilitates effortless storage and maneuverability. The pressure washer is designed to stop the pump automatically when the trigger is released, not only saving wear and tear on the pump but also reducing noise. No need to endure constant pump noise when not actively washing. During a thorough yearly clean of a riding mower, it effectively removed most debris, though some stubborn dirt and grass clippings remained near the discharge chute. Pros: affordable, multiple tips for various jobs, 2 detergent tanks, high-quality pressure hose and hardware. Cons: there are more powerful options. Number 2. Sun Joe SPX 3001 14 5-amp Electric Pressure Washer. Pressure washers can seem daunting to novices, often being noisy, bulky, and complex with their assortment of nozzles and hoses. However, the Sun Joe SPX 3001 is exceptionally user-friendly, making it a perfect choice for those new to pressure washing. It's compact, relatively quiet, and has just the right amount of power for beginners. Setting it up is a breeze, taking just 13 minutes to get it operational. Once ready, we tested it on a car, a concrete driveway, and ancient stone pillars laden with dirt, mildew, and algae. It excelled at clearing away lighter accumulations of mildew and algae on various surfaces with minimal effort. The unit is easy to handle, nozzles are straightforward to swap, the machine itself is light enough to move effortlessly, the trigger is easy to squeeze, and it performs smoothly and powerfully. The design of the SPX 3001, featuring 2 robust wheels, enhances its maneuverability. A particularly useful aspect of this pressure washer is the integrated hose reel, which simplifies the storage of the 20-foot high-pressure hose. It comes equipped with 5 nozzles for different cleaning needs, a 34-inch extension wand, and a 35-foot power cord, all adding to its versatility and user-friendliness. Number 3. Holsun 3800 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. Holsun, a niche player in the market, specializes in crafting high-pressure washers tailored for both advanced features and versatile usage. Their electric pressure washer stands ready for any occasion, boasting a potent 1,600-watt motor that propels water at a maximum pressure of 3,000 psi/2 for GPM. This formidable pressure ensures effective removal of stubborn grime and deep-seated stains from various surfaces. Accompanying the unit is a 20-foot high-pressure hose, engineered to prevent leaks and facilitate thorough cleaning of all angles of your car, furniture, and other surfaces, enhancing user convenience. The pressure washer features an automatic total stop system, which halts the pump when the trigger is disengaged. This not only conserves energy but also extends the pump's lifespan. The equipment is further equipped with a 33-foot power cord complete with an inline GFCI, ensuring safe usage across all exterior outlets. Holsun stands behind its product with a solid 2-year warranty from the original purchase date. Despite some minor imperfections, the Holsun electric pressure washer offers exceptional value, delivering robust cleaning power where it counts. Key features: maximum pressure rating of 3,000 psi, water flow capacity of 2.4 GPM, 1600 watts electric motor, 2 years warranty. Number 4. Westinghouse EPX 3100 Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse pressure washer delivers a powerful 2,050 psi and a water flow rate of 176 GPM, making it versatile enough to handle everything from light car washing to more intensive tasks like desliming sidewalks. This model is equipped with 4 3-inch casters that rotate 360 degrees, allowing it to pivot effortlessly and enhancing its maneuverability while you work. Its compact height, just under 17 inches, provides a low center of gravity, greatly reducing the risk of tipping. included with the Westinghouse are 4 nozzles, a 25-foot hose, a soap applicator, and an integrated soap tank, all of which boost its cleaning capabilities for a variety of tasks. A standout feature is the unlocked caster mode, allowing the unit to follow the user with just a gentle pull. The pressure hose is notably flexible, providing excellent maneuverability. Although it might not be the ideal choice for larger yard projects, the Westinghouse is excellent for handling most cleaning jobs in the driveway and similar areas. Pros: 4 3-inch locking casters roll easily on hard surfaces, compact size is easy to store in tight spaces, surprisingly strong cleaning power in a small package. Cons: locking/unlocking the casters may not be convenient for some. Number 5. Karcher K1700 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. Rounding out our selections in this article, we turn to Karcher, a less familiar name in the realm of power tools, but one that brings to the table a solid electric pressure washer. Despite its affordability, it comes with a generous 3-year warranty, which, coupled with its good build quality, suggests it will serve well over time. It operates on a 14A electric motor capable of delivering water pressure up to 1,700 psi, adjustable depending on your settings. It also boasts a water flow rate of up to 1-2 GPM, quite respectable for its price range. Adjustments to the water flow can be effortlessly made using the included turbo nozzle, a valuable feature. Impressively lightweight at just 20 pounds and standing only 12 inches tall, this machine is not only portable but easy to store. It includes 3 quick connect spray nozzles, a bayonet spray wand, and a 0.5-gallon onboard detergent tank, making it especially useful for washing cars. The primary critique from users is the length of the included 20-foot hose, which may not provide sufficient reach for all tasks. Fortunately, it can be easily replaced with a longer hose if needed.